How senior entrepreneurs can create a support system as they build a business. Building a business as a senior entrepreneur can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. One key element to success is establishing a robust support system. This network of resources, advice, and encouragement can make a significant difference in navigating the highs and lows of entrepreneurship. For seniors, a support system is not just about business advice, but having a network that understands and caters to their unique needs and experiences. Leverage existing personal and professional networks. Start by tapping into your existing personal and professional contacts. Join entrepreneurial and industry-specific groups. Become a member of entrepreneurial or industry-specific groups, both local and online. These groups provide a platform to connect with peers who understand the challenges. Seek out mentorship opportunities. Look for mentorship opportunities, either as a mentee or a mentor. Engaging in a mentorship relationship can offer guidance and support. Connect with other senior entrepreneurs. They can relate to your experiences and offer advice that's specific to the challenges and opportunities you face as a senior. Utilize online forums and social media. Engage in online platforms related to entrepreneurship. These platforms can be excellent sources for advice, encouragement, and networking. Establish a family support structure. Involve your family. Their emotional support can be crucial in times of stress or uncertainty. Form a mastermind group. Consider forming or joining a mastermind group with like-minded entrepreneurs. They offer a space for regular meetings, accountability, and shared learning. Engage with business advisors or coaches. They can provide professional guidance, help you navigate challenges, and keep you focused on your goals. Build an online community. Create or join online communities related to your business. Nurture reciprocal relationships. Focus on building reciprocal relationships where you can offer support to others as well. This two-way exchange enhances the value of your network. Prioritize self-care and wellness. Remember that self-care is an essential part of your support system. Managing stress and maintaining your health enables you to be more effective in your business endeavors. Regularly evaluate and expand your network. Continuously assess and expand your support network. As your business grows, your needs may change, and having a diverse and dynamic support system is crucial. For senior entrepreneurs, a strong support system is a cornerstone of success. It provides not only business-related support, but also personal encouragement and a sense of community. Remember, entrepreneurship is not a solo journey. It's a path best navigated with a network of allies, mentors, and peers who can provide guidance, support, and inspiration along the way.